Okay, I'm going to get started. Hello, everybody, and Happy New Year. So let's talk about the NPR for January. We have a new engine kit. This is a MaxForce DT, and this piston is unique. You can see it's an aluminum piston, and it's gallery cooled. So there's quite a bit of tooling and engineering that had to go into that piston.
Question, Joe, excuse my ignorance. Why this crown is designed with this gallery cool? Is this high temperature engine or why, Joe? I'm just curious.
It is. It's very high injection pressure. Very high injection pressure. So they do that oil cooling to keep the heat out of the crown. Next, you'll see that we have some fuel transfer pumps for 3406E C15 application. This is the gear-driven. This drives off the front of the engine, the accessory drive off the front, and this is the fuel transfer pump for those C-Series style engines. So you could see the way that pump works and how it mounts. It's got a traditional mounting flange. You can see the football-shaped mounting flange there, and then there's the directional flow where the fuel lines mount to it. Next is a little kind of a departure for us, if you will. This is the injector tubes for a Volvo D13 application. There's two different styles of tube. There's a copper tube, and then like most of the engine manufacturers, they've gone to a stainless steel. So you can see the two different parts there. That comes with a high temperature Viton O-ring that seals that tube to the cylinder head. You'll see more head components for this application coming out in the next few months. We have another ISX camshaft, the 429-8629. This is one of the newer ISX cams that we have available now. There's a close-up picture of it. This lobe of the camshaft, that's for the engine brake. So that's the integral brake is what Cummins calls it, but that's what that lobe is. Next, these two particular gaskets, we did create the oil pan gasket and the rocker cover gasket to kind of test the waters, if you will. This engine is entirely different from the 15-liter engine. Everything's different on it. So the oil pan gasket looks like a ISX 15, similar shape, similar material. It's got the torque limiters in the bolts when you install it. And then the rocker cover gasket, it's kind of a bad picture, but that rocker cover gasket is similar to a regular ISX. Last thing I'll talk about, we have a couple of new engine sensors here. The pressure sensor 492-1503 and the 4088832, which is a temperature sensor. Cummins is using sensors across their different engine platforms now, so this will have multiple usages for all the way from ISBe probably up through not to include ISX. So, and that was all I had to go over today.